Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. Today we have another unboxing of a package I prepared through MyUS. About some stuffs I bought. Some I got them on Black Friday because there was some pretty awesome deals like an Amazon Fire tablet, so I had to get that. It was half the price. So contains a bunch of other stuff that's in this box. A pretty big box. I'm going to post the dimensions of the box somewhere on the video. It says this package was professionally hand-packed for you by someone on Tom's team. Hope you did a great job, Tom. So this is it. Someone on Tom's team. Okay, so without further ado, let's rip it open. I might start to believe this stuff is not good for unboxing, but look, it works. So truly. By the way, this parcel was handled by DHL, as you can see. It took about 14 days to arrive. About 12 days, I'm not too sure. But it was supposed to be DHL Express, so I was wondering why it took so long. On MyUS, they actually said 1 to 4 days, but oftentimes for my experience, I have seen that it takes up to at least 10 days to 12 days for your package arrives, which is kind of misleading because you get the impression you're paying for a 4-day shipping at best, and to be surprised to see it's going to arrive in 10 or 12 days time. So we're going to take a look at the way the packages were packed and see if hopefully nothing is broken. So typical MyUS fashion, lots of brown paper. I'm going to take this one out. Okay, now that's out of the way. So first out of the box is the Western digital hard drive, and I think it's the only thing in this package. Or is there something else? It's an Amazon renewed product. I think it got it for, it was like new, I believe. Western digital. I always advocate for buying Amazon like new because you are saving money and also getting a brand new product. So this, I believe, well, I didn't pay for Prime shipping, but I'm surprised they come in package labeled Amazon Prime. Okay, this I believe is the package that caused a lot of issue with me and MyUS. I'm glad it was resolved. This was what MyUS mischaracterized as a power bank, and it stayed in my suite at MyUS for more than 2 months. I actually filed a complaint. I didn't file a complaint. I chatted with the customer service agent who linked me up with the right person, and it was resolved. So I'm going to make a follow-up video to let you guys know how the whole thing was resolved. So that's what's in here. Okay, what's in this box? I really don't know. Oh, this is the 100 watt Type-C charger with the cable, neck tech. Also, like new from Amazon, saved me some money. Box. This is a buy easy USB-C adapter, or they call it docking station. I had to get this one because I thought the anchor I bought was stuck in MyUS forever. So there's no harm in having a double. And this is the watt meter that I got from MyUS, hopefully to, well, see how much my laptops and other devices are drawing from the wall. So far everything seems to be packed okay. This is flash drive, and I believe here should be, I think, an adapter, I believe. Oh no, this set of screwdrivers I bought. That's nice to have. Okay, what's next? Microsd cards from Microsd, 64GB each, followed by 3 pairs of USB-C to Lightning cables, a glass screen protector for my Canon M50, JSOX Type-C cables. I believe these are 100 watts cables. I think 10 feet and 6 feet. It's pretty heavy. This is the Acer F100 512GB NVMe SSD. Comes with that box. This is the Coco Syst. Hope I got that correctly. It's a 65 watts PD charger. This is another JSOX. This is a power adapter by JSOX. JSOX, hope I pronounced that correctly. This should be 25 watts. This is a 65 watt Amazon Basics charger. Okay, what's in this box? Okay, this is the OBD2 scanner by Innova. Yes, Innova, I got that one right. Oh, finally, this is the crucial RAM I got for my laptop to boost it up from 16 to 64GB. Hopefully this works well as I intend or hope. And this is the case for the Amazon Fire HD10, which I got for half the price, by the way. That is $75 instead of $150. Amazing deal. There are some few shock absorbing materials, that's just it. And this, I believe, should be a box inside of a box. Wow, that's neat. More packing material. Oh, this is the screen guard for the Amazon Fire 10 tablet. And finally, Amazon Fire HD10 with Alexa. This is I think they call it denim. That's the version I got. So folks, that's it. Well, is there any packing material at the bottom? No, there's no packing material at the bottom of the box. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna do an unboxing of the ones I can, and maybe a review of the ones I can, or the ones I feel needs to be reviewed. And I'm gonna post it on the channel. While some I'll post them on Amazon reviews to help other buyers make decisions, just like, because I rely a lot on reviews on Amazon to make purchases, so it's only fair if I do same for other buyers that may be interested in getting the products I get, my experiences and what I see and what I observe in the products I paid for. So that is it. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna do a review, unboxing, whatever of these stuffs I got here. There are a lot, but we're gonna find a way to walk through them and see how we'll bring wonderful content coming your way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. On this channel we're gonna talk about everything tech, news about tech. Basically we talk about tech all day. That's what we do. So like, share and subscribe, because awesome content is gonna come your way.